You will learn the fundamentals of Swedish massage, because Swedish massage is kind of the most widely used system in most forms of bodywork massage. Ethics, professional ethics, and anatomy, physiology, pathology, kinesiology, business and marketing.
There's nobody that doesn't benefit from having touch, and it's a relaxation, it's a safe, positive place to go and to be able to let go of stress, and that means a lot to me to be able to provide that for individuals.
Everybody tends to get a lot more comfortable with their own body, during this program. They just, of course, they're learning about the body, but they become more comfortable with touch and connecting with people. But they also gain a lot of confidence because it's not an easy curriculum. I mean, anybody who's taken anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, all that, it can be difficult stuff. It takes some commitment, and so it gives them a sense of confidence. I like to watch that evolution of it, and it's not for everybody, but when I see the ones that do have that aha moment, like, yes, this is where I'm supposed to be.
Because of the way that the TMCC program is structured, I was able to actually start it, take some classes. When I needed to put it on hold for a while, I was able to do that and come back and pick up where I left off. And that was very helpful. It's just structured to work for you if this is something you really want to do. 2010 to 2020, they said that about a 20% job growth, which is, I guess, better than average. Well, I currently have a massage studio. This is my 3rd year in business, and I was able to pretty much open my doors within days of getting my license. I knew that I was prepared and ready to pass the exam based on the training that I had received. I've been fortunate to say that over the last couple of years, I've also been voted News and Review Best Massage Therapist for a couple of years in a row. And I had the honor and the distinction of being Massage Student of the Year for TMCC, even though I had to overcome some hurdles that year, both through physical issues from an accident that I was in. I was still able to work with my instructors, get work in, and work around things that would have normally stopped me from moving forward.
You can practice out of your home. Chiropractic offices, in physical therapy offices, spas. You can go out on a cruise ship and do massage. You can do it in different resorts. You can do massage in the hospital or end-of-life people. If you have a chair, you can go out and market yourself and do tournaments like golf tournaments and sporting events. And you can travel with sport teams. There's massage therapists that go to the Olympics. And there's a lot you can do all over the world. It's something that you can take with you all over the world, because there's bodies everywhere, and people love massage.